Hello, Nancy. I got this set up. It's got a little bit of work that it still needs. And I got something funny to show you after this. So what do I got? Well, I'll show you. Here's the overhead. Somehow, I don't know where it's at, but I've lost the control button. It still works. It still works, but I don't know the deal. What's going on? I guess when I push control, it goes back to the main screen. Anyway, table's up. You look at your background. I lowered your pictures. There's a problem with lighting in here. I have the second light over here. It gets in the screen and it's like, here, I'll show you. Look at that. I don't like that. We got to figure out a way to deal with it. It's still showing. I can't get it out. There we go. Anyway, brought the table over there today. Ralph helped me put this together here, and then I just assembled everything. It's a work in progress. We'll see how it goes. I guess we'll see. How do I end this guy? I don't know how to do it. It's recording. Did it stop? No, I don't know the button to end it. I guess I'll just hit the stop button. I guess that's it. I pushed the wrong one.